Hey guys, we received this brush nickel bathroom hardware kit for test and try. Toilet paper holder with the two square towel hooks. So three pieces with the stainless steel 304 and then a wall mounted, rust resistant and modern fingerprint free finish. So it's the silvery color, and as you can see it's a nice material with a nice look. So it goes side and then toilet paper holder. So nice material, and the toilet paper is 6.61 inches with the two hooks. Those hooks are used for the towels that you can put easily on the wall. So the screws and everything is provided, and you can easily put that on the sides to hold it really well. So the quality wise they are really good, and the holds really well and looks good as well. After the installation, you can see this is a solid hook and fits really well and looks nice on the wall. Easily hold like the towels and your stuff, and then with the paper towel as well.